Hey guys, I'm Emma Marshall for my campaign analysis report number two. The issue that I chose would be conservation of water in the state of Florida. The reason I chose this issue is because we are one of the states that has the most rainfall, and so that means that our aquifers use that rainfall to distribute water. What happens if we experience a drought year and we're still using the amount of water that all of us use? Right now, according to Orlando Weekly, which is one of the news articles I read, we use roughly 5.27 billion gallons of water a day in the state of Florida. And that number is only going to increase in the next 10 or so years to about 8.1 billion gallons of water a day, only because, according to the South Florida Water Management District, by 2025, we're expected to have 6 million new residents just in the state of Florida. The quantity and the conservation of this water and is, obviously the numbers are rising of the population, so that means more water is being used. So how do we conserve what we have? How do we plan for the future? So that's kind of the issue that I'm focusing on. The two news articles that I went through were the one from Orlando Weekly, and then also the South Florida Water Management District website had some articles on it. And it basically talks about how there's going to be a 22% increase from today's use within the next 10 years, actually it's less than 10 years, which I think is kind of crazy. And so that would be the issue that I choose. Some of the audiences that I think that it should be directed towards would definitely be the consumers. I didn't realize that much water was being used by Floridians. And I also, think not just me as like a student, but also our farmers, our big corporate industries, our restaurants, they should all be aware of the amount of water they're using. And then I think the organizations that we should use, South Florida Water Management District talks about how UF is doing a thing on water and water friendly lands and stuff. I think that the extension office would definitely be good for campaigning this, and also any of our natural resource, like our government natural resource facilities, should definitely get on that campaign trail as well. So that's my campaign analysis for this week.